What's up, everybody? Carmen and Darius here with Wealth Nation, and today we want to talk to you about the importance of saving money.
That's right, because the average person spends more money in interest than they actually save. That comes in the form of your credit cards, your car notes, your mortgage, anything that you pay interest on the sum of it equates to more than the average person actually saves.
Yeah, and to take that to the next level, like Darius said, just on your own bills. Let's take it to retirement. Let's take it to Social Security. These days in our society, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to rely on Social Security to be there when we want to retire. Our retirement accounts, due to inflation and taxes, it just eats away at that nest egg that we've saved. So we have to take it into our own hands and control what our financial future is going to look like. Because we've seen more people in their elder years, 70 and above, going back to work because they can't afford to be retired.
And something very important that you said, a very important word that you said, was control.
Yeah.
The control that we have over our lives is the work that we do and the amount that we save. Those people that went back to work or had to stay with a child, do you think they focused on controlling their savings? They thought they did, but they thought they did in the form of a retirement plan or stocks.
Yeah.
But what happened in 2008? It went away, and they had to go back to work.
Lost a lot of money
Because they lost control of their money. If they had control of their money, they would be still retired, right?
Yeah, I would say so. And to that point, what happens is because finances can be something that's such a burden, I don't want to say a burden, but overwhelming, we trust other people to manage our money instead of us educating ourselves and doing it and taking that control like we're talking about. So although there are a lot of financial products and things out there that you can get involved in, you need to make sure that you understand how the product works. Don't just let somebody sell it to you and it sounds like a good idea. You have to realize that the banks and other financial institutions are businesses, and they have to sell products that make them profit. So although it may sound like it's such a great idea on the surface for you, you need to understand what happens in the back end with 10, 20, 30, 40 plus years from now, what's actually going to happen to you.
Yeah, educate yourself. You don't lose money until you lose control of it.
Yes.
So anything that you focus on, your investments, whatever it is, make sure you understand it before you start putting tons of money towards it.
Exactly. And when we talk about savings, the whole premise behind savings, the good rule of thumb is that if you are saving money, it should be about 10 times your age on a monthly basis. So if you're 30 years old, you should be saving $300 a month. 40 years old, $400 a month. If you can do that, great. If you can do more, even better. Like we said, you need to be in the driver's seat and start controlling the money that is coming into your life.
And pay yourself first.
Yes.
We speak with a lot of people when it comes to their finances, and they say, I don't have any money left over to save.
Yes.
Now, you're the one that's actually going out there and putting in the time and the effort at your job or in your business, and you pay everybody else before you pay yourself. We have to reverse that. And if that's the case, what do we need to do? There are some issues with our spending, our budget. So focus on paying yourself first, because you're the one that's out there working.
Exactly. Yeah, so Warren Buffett actually says that you need to, I want to make sure that I get the quote right. He says you need to spend what is left after saving. So exactly what Darius said, you need to prioritize that. Save first and then spend after the fact. Because if you're doing all the work, you need to make sure that you at least give yourself some money and some credit for the work that you're doing.
100% agree.
Yeah, exactly.
I couldn't have said it better.
Love it. Awesome. Well, we hope that this information provided some value to you today. And remember, 10 times your age on a monthly basis for savings. Take control of your financial destiny.
And pay yourself first.
Exactly. And then we can show you how to supercharge that savings, but start with saving first.
Yes.
All right. So Darius and Carmen Bray here again with Wealth Nation. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at wealthnation.io.
Own your own lifestyle, or someone else will.
Have a great day.